Team Fullest, this is the girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Cake Up My Canal. So today I want to come and share with you guys this quick recipe that I have been using to deal with my allergic problem. If you live in the Netherlands, you know for sure a lot of people suffer from hooikoorts. Hooikoorts is an allergic reaction that people get during the summer season because of the plants are blooming, the grass is growing, and there's a lot of allergic. I don't really know how to explain it properly in English, but it's an allergic reaction that I get in the summer, and that's lead to like an itchy eye, itchy nose. Sometimes my eyes will swell up, and I've been on medication for a very long time. But one thing that I have been noticing with the medication is it doesn't really help, but then you keep taking it. It helps like 10%, but majority of the time you still have issues with the allergic reaction. And I have changed different type of medications. I haven't actually find something that works for me completely and deal with all the issues. So this particular time I was talking to a colleague of mine. I was like, really, I'm tired of taking medication that are really not working, and you have to pay for those medication, even though yes, your insurance is covering certain amounts, but you still have to pay your own contributions. And I keep changing medication. I will have some pills, I will have nose spray, I will have eye drop, but it still doesn't really help. And then the colleague of mine was like, have you tried raw honey and garlic? And I'm like, no, I haven't. And so he was like, give raw honey and garlic a try. It does help with lessen the issues. And I was like, okay. So I got some raw honey from Ghana. I didn't went to Ghana. I didn't go to Ghana, but anyway, someone went to Ghana and brought me some raw honey, and I have some garlic at home. So he said you have to soak the raw onion and garlic for at least a week. And then after a week, you should take every morning 1 teaspoon of the raw honey and garlic and chew it, and it will help. Do this for a period of time, it will help. And he also told me try some garlic water, like get a blender, blend some garlic with water, and then drink it, because garlic is actually very good, has a lot of health benefits. And I was like, okay, normally I take my clove water and I drink my fenugreek seed, because I like to drink fenugreek tea in the morning, and clove tea, I like to drink those. And so I was like, okay, let me just add this garlic and raw honey into this. Maybe it's my help. So I have been actually taking this now for a long time. I'm actually done with this particular container that I'm making, because I really wanted to take it to see how it works before ever posting this video. So I've been taking it, and honestly speaking, the issue hasn't actually 100% went away, but I can say it's much more manageable right now. I don't have problem with the itchy eye. I don't have problem with the itchy ears. All I'm having now is my running nose, like you're having like fresh cold, but it's not fresh cold, it's just the allergic I'm having with runny nose. And even that, it's a little bit lesser than what it used to be. So now I do not wake up with a swollen eye or itchy ears or itchy nose. What I'm having right now is more of the running nose, like when you're running, especially when I am around a lot of dust, or I'm walking in the nature and there's so much plant, so much flower, then I have runny nose. And yeah, I have been doing this now for a while. So now I am on my second bottle of the raw honey and garlic. I have on my second bottle, and I continue to just take this because this is just pure raw honey. This is not like the honey we have in Holland here, which is just sugar. But this is really raw honey. You can actually taste the difference between the honey I purchased from the store and this honey from Ghana, and I also got a honey from Sierra Leone, which my wife brought for me as well. And you can see the difference. I don't know, I think this first container I made it with the honey from Sierra Leone, and the second one I made it with a honey from Ghana. I don't know, but I got raw honey from Africa, which of course it's different than the honey we get here. And I have been using this now for, this is my second bottle now, and trust me, it's the result, it's really amazing. I don't have issues with my allergic, I don't really have like a lot of issues, only the runny nose. And I intend to take this because what I've noticed that the garlic really helps cleanse your system, and honey is also good. And also the garlic water in the morning really helps a lot. So I would just want to come and share with you guys if you guys are interested. And I also had a subscriber who recommend some herbs to me. I have managed to lay my hands on one of the herbs. The other two I couldn't find it in my area, even the city next to me. But a friend of mine said that they sell it in a bigger city, in somewhere Amsterdam, and the way they have like this big Chinese herb store. So I'm planning to go there one day and purchase that. And I've been trying a lot of herbs, I've been trying a lot of things. So if you guys have something that you guys know that really helps cleanse the blood, cleanse the system of any allergic or anything, please let me know in the comment box, because I'm really interested in something like that, because I'm just tired of taking medications. And because what I've noticed that I've been on this medication for so many years now, and it's not that the allergy problem is going away. It seems like I have to be on the medication for the rest of my life if I want to get rid of this thing. So I'm really finding another alternative to be able to control or possible get rid of this allergic problem. But if I can able to control it and to a certain point, I'll be fine with it. So I'm really trying different alternatives to kind of control it or get rid of it, instead of being on medications for the rest of my life without me not knowing what is going to be the after effect of those medication that I am on. Because also those medication, I have allergic problem to on certain ingredients, so I have to go through the medication, the ingredient list, to make sure that there is nothing there I am allergic to. Because I got one medication and it has an ingredient that I was allergic to, and I have all of these bumps on my body, and I have to call the doctor, and they was like, oh yeah, this ingredient, you are not allowed to take it, and he was on that medication. So that's why this year I'm like, I'm going on strike. I'm going on strike. I'm not taking any more medication. I'm really looking for natural alternative to help me control this situation, or also help me to control it or either get rid of it. And so far with this honey and garlic, I've seen some really great results, and I'm just going to continue to use this and see how far it goes. These are all natural products, and so there's not really like bad after effect using this. And I also try the garlic water, which I will come very soon and show you how I make this one. So I hope you all like this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment. I'll see you on my next